What is going on, guys? It's Trader Cause. I wanted to record a quick Bitcoin update video. It'll probably be like 5 to 10 minutes, trying to keep it short. I was just streaming on Twitch for a while and talking about a bunch of different scenarios, but for those that missed it, I figured the easiest thing to do would be record a quick video and just kind of go over what we talked about. Here are the two main things I'm watching with Bitcoin. We form these equal highs right here, right within 30-minute supply, and it also has nice confluence with our mid-range. And so this is based off of this low, our lowest low from the dump, and then we bounced, made this high, and dipped from there. I like the mid-range interactions here. We formed supply right at the mid-range, rejected, and we also swept the low. So really clean range here. And these are kind of the two things I'm watching. I am only really interested in doing business around 48.5K. Either I would be looking for a sweep of these equal highs, and then I would look for a short. And honestly, if we get back to 45K, I have a hard time believing it will, I don't know why I just did that. I have a hard time believing it'll hold too many more times since it's been tested quite a bit. But if we're able to flip this level, get above the mid-range, and just this 48.5K level where these equal highs are, I think we make a move up to 52K here. So those are kind of the main things that I'm watching. From a slightly higher time frame perspective, if we do sell off more, I would either be looking for, let me hide this text. I had that up on the, I left the stream on for a bit so people could just watch like the chart with watch my chart like with these levels if they wanted to while I was gone, which was kind of fun. We left the stream running for like 3 or 4 hours and I popped in every now and then. But I would either be looking for a dip into this 40K level, or if it dips above that, just any time that it got back above 45, I'd be interested in longing again. But that's more so just the really higher time frame stuff. And I guess my main plan for the weekend is just once Bitcoin gets to this 48.5K, depending on the price reaction there, that's where I will be interested in taking my next trade. So those are kind of the main things I'm watching. I do think that with equities closed, since we have been very correlated recently and equities have been selling off, I think it's possible that we do get a nice pump over the weekend. Maybe we are able to flip this 48.5K level, go up to 52K, hit the target, take out that high, maybe bounce a little further, and then break back in here and dump again with equities on Monday. But that stimulus package for like $1.9 trillion got passed or accepted, and so maybe that'll make the market bounce. So taking it just one day at a time, level to level, that's how we do it. And this is the level where I want to be taking my next trade. So that's Bitcoin. I hope that makes sense. I'll continually update you guys on this and if I take any trades. As far as Ethereum and Litecoin, I just don't think the plans just don't look quite as clear to me. If we do get a run up to 1590, 1580 at the same time as Bitcoin pushes up to 48.5 and both get rejected, I think you could short either of them. So that's kind of the scenario I have drawn out here. But big picture, I really want to see Ethereum and Litecoin bounce, because this is a resistance that took just about a month to break through, and now we're retesting the origin of this entire move. And so if we can't bounce from here, I don't know how deep this goes, but it would look pretty ugly. And then same thing with Litecoin. Let me pull up a higher time frame chart. This was pretty key resistance, this 175, and if you can see, we got rejected right there again. Pumped through it, retesting that. I really want to see this general area hold, or else I think things will be a lot more bearish near term. I'm not really looking to play too many alts right now. I think DOT looks pretty solid if it can flip Monday's mid-range. Sushi has just been ranging, but if that can get above 17.4, I think it would be looking good. And then Sol is trading in this lower time frame range right here. If it's able to, if it's able to break back above there, I'd be interested in some longs again. Alternatively, if the whole market dumps, I would like to buy Sol around $9 here. We've got Monday's low that hasn't been tagged, and then 3-day demand here. And there's also a flat bottom on this candle, so I wouldn't be surprised if that got wicked eventually. But that only happens if Bitcoin either gets rejected here or rejected here and then ends up going to like 40K. So we'll take it one step at a time. If it is starting to look like Bitcoin is going to pull back to that level, then I'll post a video laying out kind of my plans for what altcoins I want to buy and where, because a massive market-wide sell-off would provide some really great opportunities to scoop up some alts that maybe you weren't in earlier and would like to be in. So that's pretty much it. Kept this video under 10 minutes. I hope this rapid fire update and then looking at a few alts helped. But I guess just to summarize, Ethereum and Litecoin are sitting right on top of their high time frame supports, and if they are unable to bounce here, it would not look great. Bitcoin looks the clearest to me, and this 48.5 level is where I'm looking to be trading, or where I'm looking to take my next trade. Either a sweep of those equal highs and then break down. I think added confirmation would be breaking this level right here. So if it takes that out, then breaks below that, and then gets rejected there too, I think that's a clear short. Or if we get a nice impulsive move through this level and then retest it, we're looking for longs up to 52K. And I think it could hit that sometime this weekend or early next week if we get a little rally to start the week. So those are my plans. Hope this helps. Feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or Telegram to get more updates frequently. So I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.